Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you that how you can log in and log out as a student. For example, you can see here is a course, and I'm not enrolled in this course. So first of all, I have to register for this course. After that, I'll be able to log in and log out whenever I want. So I will sign up. So you can see I have two access plans. So when you will create a course, there will be some access plan and your user will be able to access to enroll on this access plan. So I will enroll here. Now I have to register for this course. So first of all, I have to add my email address. Then I have to add a password for my account and I have to remember this password. Then I have to add my first name and last name. Say student, and now I'll enroll in this course. Here you can see now I have enrolled and this is my course. Now whenever I want, I can log out and log in as a student. So now you think, now let's say I'll log out from this course. So in LifterLMS, you can add a logout button that will easily help you to log out, but also you can log out from your student dashboard. So if I click on my student dashboard, where I'll be able to see all my details, my courses, my profile, and all the things, here we have an option sign out. So I can click on here. I will be sign out now. So now see when I have clicked on sign out, now there when I will get back to this link again, there is an option that login. So now I have to add the password and the email address. And if I click on login, I will be logged into my account. So here is the account. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.